Friends, today we are going to talk about one interesting sector, that is platform businesses. Platform business means this Bombay Stock Exchange, MCX, CDSL, CAMS, IEX. This stocks has done great. All this stock has actually, in last few years has given a great return to our investor. No, more than 200% return. Many of the stocks are, yes, IEX has not given, but other stocks has given. So today what we are going to do, we are going to do a sector deep dive, how to analyze this sector and what is a platform businesses and why these businesses may grow over the time. This is a very interesting sector, because at the end of the day, guys, the no you are going to earn money only when the sector is going to grow, and this sector is a good prospect for the future. So let us talk about that in detail. And before I go, guys, I'll just start with the no presentation. But before I go, if you are still not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe it. And again, if you want anything from our side, no, that any stock to be analyzed, please put it in the comment box. We do take into consideration, and we also always check it out. Okay, and I do answer each and every comment. So guys, so let us talk about the platform business first. So talking about platform business, guys, what is the definition of the platform business? Let us understand that. So if we talk about the platform business, it is nothing but a platform business facilitate the exchange. Okay, one minute, just a minute. Exchange of value between interdependent groups like produce and consumer using a digital physical infrastructure. Means a place, एक जगह जहाँ लोग आके अपने वो कहते हैं ना कि they sell their products, okay, and buy the products whatever it is. So that is nothing but a platform. Okay, like in Bombay Stock Exchange, you go and buy stocks, okay, and brokers are the intermediaries. Company comes with their IPO and all that. So that is nothing a platform. So there are various type of platform. It's a plain definition I'm talking about, but hope you are getting my point. What do you mean by platform business? Now, when we talk about platform business, as I told you, the producers and the consumers comes together, and they come on the platform, and they do a value exchange, whatever no exchange they want to do, maybe in physical or digital asset, they do an action. That is nothing but a platform business. And this platform business normally grow when the no number of consumer and the producer grows, no, and they start exchanging. So when we talk about various platform businesses, guys, if we talk about various international platform, you can understand that Amazon, Alibaba, Meta, that is nothing but Facebook. What is all this? It's all nothing but a platform business. Amazon, like many of the producers, okay, or no manufacturer put their products there, and no they sell their products through that platform. That is nothing but a platform. Okay, it's platform business. So normally over the time, now this platform business has done extraordinarily well, because now the scalability is quite big, and that is why this is a very interesting sector to review. Okay, so this is what about you have to understand. When we talk about in India context, I'm talking about the listed companies. Then you can see BSE, MCX, IEX, CDSL, CAMS, even KFIN. They are all platform business. I have not taken KFIN here, but I'm going to talk about this BSE, MCX, IEX, CDSL, CAMS in much in detail, because these are the interesting businesses. Okay, and from here how much it will go up, that we are going to talk about, but we'll also understand how they operate the business and how they are growing from here. Okay, because this is very important. A platform can grow only when there are more consumers and more producer coming in the same platform. So we'll talk about that in detail. So now when we talk about platform business, what we are going to do first, now we have to understand now whether why you should invest in platform business. Is it a viable no opportunity for any investor to invest? So when we talk about that, first of all, there are a lot of high margin in platform business. Okay, because see, you just have a setup cost. Once the setup cost is done, incremental as many consumer and producer comes in the picture in that platform, no your fixed cost is not going to increase so much. And that is why there you have a high margin and much growth potential as the country become no as the commercialization goes up, and as the economy goes up, more and more consumer and producer will come into picture. Again, monopoly like benefits. Once you have set up this type of platform, which is very complex, and you have specific license related to that, normally other person, other institution cannot enter. So you have monopoly like benefits. Again, technological edge, it's not easy. Like when we talk about BSE, NSE, MCX, so all these platform, whatever technology edge they have, normally you cannot have it. Require lot of testing, back testing, and lot many things, years and years of experience to have that type of technological edge. Again, scalability and low cost, normally this type of no business models grow very fast, okay, and they have low cost. So initially if they start picking up, it can give an extraordinary return. Why this no all these companies are now, platform businesses are growing, and of course they are giving a great return. The reason is now suddenly retail investors are coming into picture, and they are started buying shares and or commodities, or opening and demat account and all that. So there is a lot of scalability and low cost. Again, network effects, one person come, then we may talk, other person may come, so lot many people may enter in that no platform, and that is why how the scalability goes. Okay, so network goes up. Again, diversified revenue stream, once you have a platform, you can bring multiple revenue stream there. Okay, तो ऐसा नहीं कि only you are focused on multiple products you can bring. And now once you establish as a player, more and more products you bring, it will be helpful to you, because you already created that type of trust. So a customer may take your products also. Okay, so this is what was nothing but no benefits, and whether you should invest in these stocks or not. And the reason why I'm telling you all this, this shows that what type of no low cost model are there, and it's all depending upon the network, the license, the scalability, all that. And that's why this make it more interesting. Okay, now let us understand all these companies business model like BSE, MCX, IEX, CDSL, CAMS. We are going to understand first business model. I'm trying to make it as easy as possible to you guys, so that you can understand. By the way guys, if you are enjoying our video guys, please click the like button and do subscribe to our channel without fail. And guys, as I told you, if you have any question, put it in the comment box. Okay, now talking about the BAC business model. Now business model, why it is so important? See, business model is important. The reason is that any company can grow only if it has a robust business model. So when we talk about BSE business model, normally the participants come on the Bombay Stock Exchange. Okay, again, BSE provide lot of services like listing, trading. Now participant includes the companies and the investor both. Okay, they provide a different type of BSE service, like you can see a listing, trading, clearing, data service, all these type of different services they provide. Again, their main income are like transaction fees, listing fees, data services. So all these services whatever they provide, on that they charge a transaction fees. And again, normally the network effect comes into picture, as and when the market grows, more and more people may join, so increase liquidity and many more participants. So this is a simple model of BSE, which trades in that equity, derivatives, FNO and all that. Now let us understand the business model of MCX. Now, when we talk about MCX, same no investor and the companies come in, not here, not come the companies, but you can say that different customer and the producer comes into picture, because they now commodities exchange is happening. Okay, and it is number, that it is having a monopoly, one type of monopoly. NCDX is there, but I think MCX is far ahead on that. Again, they provide lot of here services like commodity trading, hedging, derivatives, segment settlements, and all this type of basically they provide a core MCX services related to the commodity business. Again, their revenue shares are transaction fees, membership fees, data services. These are various their revenue sources they charge for to the members. Again, network effect, increased participation, better price discovery and market depth. So as and when all these get famous, and the main thing is the producer and the investor or customer are getting benefit, they may come again into MCX for trade. So this is nothing but the MCX business model. When we talk about IEX business model, I want to talk about each and every business model, because this is core of the things. And guys, same when we do research, no, me and my team, no, as you know guys, we provide the stock recommendation services. We do all this stuff before doing. Before guys I go guys, just to let you know, this is just for the information purpose. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst, but what I am telling you, no, some of my clients may be having the stock. I am currently not holding these stocks, but yes, clients may be having. Just to have a disclaimer on this. Now when we talk about the IEX business model, IEX is nothing but, you know that, no, they are there in the power sector. So core IEX service is nothing but, no, like similarly the way you have BSE and MCX model, same in IEX also. Producer and the customer comes into picture. They come on the platform. Real time electricity trading, renewable energy certificates, and power contracts. So anyone want, related contracts, and they want to buy at the end of the day electricity, they can go and buy from there. That is nothing but they are providing a platform for basically electricity exchange and all that. Again, revenue is transaction fees, membership fees, market service. These are all their main core model of earning money. Again, network effect is high liquidity, increased participants, and enhanced price discovery. So same way, as and when more producer and customer comes into picture, they provide no more and more, you can say, no, price discovery, because at the end of the day, more the participants, the price discovery will be much robust. Now let us talk about CDSL business model. Now, why to understand CDSL? So CDSL also, you know that, no, they are there in the demat account. Okay, they give demat accounts. There are two type of depositories, NSDL and CDSL. CDSL is number one. So there also, no, customer comes, they open the account, and they provide, electric holding, transfer securities, dematerialization. Again, no, the revenue source is nothing but like transaction charges, annual issuer charges, KYC services. All these are nothing but their source of income. Again, the network effect is nothing but, no, at the end of the day, as and when the economy goes up, the stock market goes up, you know that it is touching all time high. Already we reached 26,000 level. So more and more demat account will open, and more and more transaction cost will happen, delivery charges will get, and all that. So CDSL is getting benefit out of that. They are number one in giving demat account. So this is what about CDSL. Now let us talk about another model is nothing but the CAMS. Now CAMS, same way, CAMS provide a service for the mutual funds. Okay, so mostly the asset management company. So their core product is nothing but no mutual fund transaction processing, record keeping, and investor services. Okay, they are registered transfer service. They provide a registered transfer services. So buy, sell, and all that. No, transfer also they are doing. Okay, the revenue sources are nothing but transaction processing fees, subscription fees from AMC, and data services. Because like you are buying a mutual fund, okay, from HDFC mutual fund, so you get that no, basically folio number and all that kind of mutual fund units. That is what the CAMS provide. Okay, and they also charge from AMC for that. Again, network effects, basically higher fund processing, increased investor efficiency in services. So at the end of the day, more and more mutual fund is sold, then it is better for the, CAMS. And CAMS as having one of a monopoly only, not monopoly, but yes, you can say 60 or 6 to 68% is CAMS only. KFIN is also there, but yeah, they are the leader. So all this business model we discuss about all these five companies. The reason was simple, that I want to make you know about this first of all, before we go ahead and talk about companies in much more detail. And as I told you, I want to have no, maybe one, two, or three part this complete analysis, because if I continue, it may be more than 1 hour, and I want to give you detailed analysis of all these five stocks. Okay, I've just told you today what is platform business, and how the platform business work, and why you should invest in platform businesses. Again, I've given a detail of all these five main prominent companies in India, guys. Next video, we are going to talk about all these companies in detail. Okay, we'll go and understand their financials, their future prospects, and whether they are going to grow or not from here. So it will be a very interesting video, so do check out the next video, guys. Hope you like this video, guys. Hope you like this basically funda of dividing into three parts and giving going into deep into the sector, because I got lot many you can say suggestion from our members only that they want a deep dive in the sector. So hope you liked it. So thank you very much for joining, guys. I'm going to see you in the next video. By the way, if you want to attend our workshop, the details are given here. The way we assess the stock, we give recommendation. Do check that also. Okay, so I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.